Assalamu alaikum. This is Nisha Yusuf here. Holy month of Ramadan is approaching and we all are getting prepared to welcome this holy month. And the most important part of this preparation is purchasing, isn't it? I'm standing in a hypermarket where we can get a lot of quality products in a very affordable price. Yes, it is our favorite shopping destination, Safari Hypermarket in Sharjah, Muwaila. Let's see what are the offers of Safari Hypermarket for this Ramadan. Follow me. You can avail special offers in grocery, fish and meat and vegetables for making yummy Ramadan food items. Not only that, the bakery and the hot food sections are preparing the tastiest of foods for the iftar. We have Ruh Afza syrup 800 ml only for 8.75 dirham. 2.25 kilograms of Anchor milk powder just for 39 dirhams. We have a great offer on 1200 grams farm fresh chicken that is available only for 10 dirhams. But this offer is valid from 25th of March until 27th of March. We have an amazing offer. You can get a Royal Ford 8 pieces non-stick cookware set only for 99 dirhams. And along with that, you can get a 20 pieces Layopala dinner set absolutely free. But this offer is available only on 27th of March. One of the most important things which we cannot avoid during Ramadan time is dates. Safari Hypermarket has set up a dates counter for this Ramadan. A wide variety of dates such as Ajwa, Mabru, Sagai, etc. from different countries are available in this dates counter. My Kitchen Fest is happening in the householding session of Safari Hypermarket, which includes all the necessary householding products such as dinner sets, cooking sets, pressure cookers, house cleaning tools, etc. And if you purchase any householding product worth 100 or above, an assured gift is awaiting you. You can also find many Ramadan offers in the department store in the products such as electronics, ready-mades and garments, stationeries and toys, and luggages and footwear. And ladies, you can avail beautiful abayas just for 69 dirhams. We have an unbelievable offer over here. You can get 7 kg Hoover washing machine just for 799 dirhams. You can get a Queen 3 pieces set assorted bedsheet for 30 dirhams and the price before offer was 59 dirhams and it is 30 dirhams now. You can find the beautifully made Ramadan souq to celebrate this holy Ramadan when you come to Safari Mall in the ground floor. You can find all the household products at a very affordable price in this Ramadan souq. Be with Safari in this Ramadan. Safari, world-class shopping experience.